What is up, everybody? It's Shane, the Rise and Grind Picker, and today we're doing something just a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to make some extra money in your house, laying around in your house, and where to sell it, how to sell it. Recently, I got all these DVDs because I bought a storage unit, and I bought it for 20 bucks. It had a ton of DVDs in it, and instead of selling them all on eBay for $3 a piece or $4.99 a piece, really wouldn't make a whole lot of money. The profits were going to be super duper low. I instead decided to do this with them, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you basically at the end my opinion on maybe if it's good to do or not, and I'll just kind of give you my full opinion on it. And today we're going to be selling all these DVDs on Decluttr. And I don't know, we're going to see how it goes. I don't know how much I'm going to make. I have this whole tote of DVDs right here. It is a 36 quart tote or whatnot, and I don't know how much I'm going to make on them, but we're going to test this theory out. The one thing is, if a DVD does come in really high on Decluttr, like $2, $3, $4, it's probably going to sell for way more on eBay. So basically we would save it back, and we're going to see what they accept and what they don't accept. So we're going to see how many DVDs Decluttr will accept. And if they don't accept very many, we probably won't go ahead and do it. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you kind of this process and how you can make some extra money. Let's go. So as I go through all these movies, all these DVDs, this whole tote, keep in mind, while we're filming this, I have not went through the tote yet. It came out of an unclaimed storage unit, and I have not went through the tote. I threw it down in my eBay room, and I just literally didn't touch it. So first off, you have to pull up the Decluttr app on your phone. You have to download it from the Play Store. It's Decluttr right here, and it pops up and it says, what do you want to sell? CDs, books, games, or sell tech. And I want to sell CDs, DVDs, books, and games. And then you take one of these, like this is a DVD, and I'm just going to take it and I'm going to scan the barcode, and it beeped and it says you can sell this for $2.64. So $2.64 is pretty high. Here's my basket right here. It's $2.64. So what the thing is, what I want to see is maybe what it sells for on eBay, right? So we're going to pull up the eBay app, and we are going to click on it, and we're going to scan this. So and it is selling for like 26, that's brand new. So there's not a whole lot of those on here. Let's do the solds and see. So they're all brand new, $19.99. We might be able to sell those for like, I don't know, maybe $15.99, maybe 20 bucks, maybe 20 bucks on eBay. So, and they're, in decent shape. So I don't know, we may have to hold these back for eBay, but let's keep scanning. So I'm going to put one pile, everything accepted, one pile not accepted, and one pile eBay. All right, so far we put two in the eBay pile. This will sell for $17.99. This will sell for about $17. I would say this one they did not accept. And this one doesn't have the DVD in it, and I had to basically throw it out because it was all scratched up. So basically on Decluttr, this little scanner thing actually will keep going up and down, up and down, up and down until you stop scanning and exit out of it. So you just put it up to the barcode and boop, it scans it. And then you put it in whatever pile you want it in. This is the accept pile. This is the not accepted pile. We still have a bunch to go through. I mean, we have a lot to go through. And so, really, see, this one's not accepted. Me, Myself, and Irene. It's such a good movie. That's garbage. All right, let's keep scanning, and I'll kind of fill you in as I go. So, and that way you can kind of know what's eBay, what's getting sent in, and what's not accepted. Keep in mind, all this stuff, we've only about halfway through. All this stuff has came from a storage unit, and I have not looked in any of it. It hasn't been sorted through. And I just found a bunch of these like bootleg movies at the bottom. I haven't looked through any of it really, and maybe it looks like some bootleg music. Maybe, I don't know. But it's all kinds of different things. Xmas, it's like a music mix, but they're all bootleg. Oh look, frick! I can sell that thing on eBay. Holy cow! Look at that. I haven't even went through this tote. I threw it down in my eBay room, and I haven't even went through it. It's insane, and yeah, it's crazy. This is awesome. eBay pile. So keep in mind, this is a not accept pile. This is an accept pile. That is eBay. I got a flip phone, and those typically sell pretty good. And I'm still going through these. I have to open every case because I have to make sure the DVD's actually in there. So, all right, let's continue. I'm going to try to film a little bit while I open cases. I've been doing this off and on, filming a little bit while opening cases, doing like a, really, like the hyper mode. Oh, that's 5 cents. I'll take that. Some of these are coming in at really low. Some of them aren't. So I guess I just need to take what I can get for these, right? Like they're just sitting in, oh, not accepted. The pile's getting a little too big. This thing don't even have a barcode. So it'll just go over here. This is a Disney movie. So hopefully they actually have, hopefully it's a good price. I mean, it's a Disney movie, come on. Disney movies, not even accepted. That sucks. All right, let's keep going. All right, we're gonna keep going with these. Jonah Hex, never heard of that. I don't know if it's gonna sell or not. 5 cents. I guess that's better than no cents. Haha. just a little joke. Come on, read it. 10 cents. This is like a 3-pack movie. So usually sometimes these 3-pack movies actually do a little bit better than, and not accepted. That is a bummer. So let's, another 2-pack movie, not accepted. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, has no barcode once again. Can't. Ooh, hold on. I just seen something. I gotta scan this. Men in Black. I remember this movie when I was a kid, and I have to see it. Well, nothing. The not accept pile is getting way bigger than the accept. $3. This is not $3. All right, I had to actually delete that one from the basket because it came up as the bundle pack, and it's not a bundle. I don't know. It's not a bundle. Oh, this one's not even in here. I didn't even know that. I was like, oh man, and this one's not even in here, so I have to throw that one to the side for the throwaway pile. Oh crap! What was that? What the frick? It's a $2 bill. I don't even know if this is real or not. What the hell? What the frick? I wonder if there's any more money in those. What the hell? Hold on. I gotta get this for my frickin'... I'm so, like, frickin' amped up right now. Like, I go out... Blah, blah, blah. I bought this from a storage unit, and seriously, I did not expect this. Like, I mean, I wish it was a lot more money, but $2, like, you know, someone probably wanted to save this as like a keepsake and just put it in there or something. I don't even know. I guess I got to look and see if it's real. I don't know if I have one of those money pins to mark it or not, but this is crazy. This is nuts. I'm gonna have to get this for my thumbnail. Like, this is totally awesome. Hold on. Got it. Right on. Got it for the thumbnail. We're going to keep scanning and let's freaking make some money. I guess, oh, hold on. I guess I could see if they'll pay me any money for this. If not, I just got my money back. I'm already totally, oh, that's even the wrong app. I am so flustered now. I am totally, already got my money back on the storage unit. Ugh, not accepted. That one sucked. So this is our accepted pile. It's pretty big, but our non-accepted pile is 3 stacks. It's way bigger than that. So we had more not accepted than accepted. And we found $2 and also the cell phone in the bottom of the tote, which will sell if I get a charger. I didn't find the charger in there, so I had to buy a charger. Maybe $20 on eBay. And we are, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and probably just send these in as well because unfortunately I have a ton of stuff that I have to list. So our total is going to be $17.21. Not a ton, but I'll take it. Let's box it up. All right, I'm going to go ahead and box these up now, and we're just waiting on an email. Once you complete your order, my order was total of $17.21, which is what they're going to put in my bank account. And then they send me a welcome pack, and they will send a label to my email. So I'm just waiting on that now. All right, so I got all of them packed neatly in a box. I'm going to put some brown paper on the side, brown paper on the top, and then you have to put this item list inside the box. So let's do this then, tape it up, and then I'll show you the finished product. And that's all it is to it. I tape my label on the box. I'm ready to take this to UPS. When they receive it, 7 to 10 days after they receive it, I will get my $17.20. And it's that easy. It's really not that hard. So you see, it's easy. Everyone can do it. You can sell your items on Decluttr and make some money without having to sell them on Amazon if you're restricted, or eBay if you don't want to list 5,000 DVDs. We had a lot of ones that Decluttr turned down. We had a lot that they accepted. $17 doesn't seem like very much, but if you come across big piles of yard sale leftovers or anything like that, they have DVDs in them, you can take them, sell them on Decluttr, and make free money. Basically free money on that. So that's the thing, is everyone can do this. You just have to kind of realize, hey, you know, this isn't going to be a huge stream of income. You know, you're not going to make thousands of dollars a month, but you can make 30, 40 bucks here and there for some pocket change. Maybe pay one bill or whatever. Well, you know, whatever you want to do with the money. So this is, my experience is, it's not that much work. It's a little bit of work, but you could just have TV on and scan DVDs or CDs or whatever and make some money while you're sitting here watching TV. You do have to have a printer because you need to print out a label. I guess you could go do it at the library if you really need to, but one thing you need is you can get paid by PayPal, your checking account, whatever. You know, if you have PayPal and you don't have a checking account, then you can get paid by PayPal as well. So I guess what I can say is like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notifications to get notified when I post a video. And this is basically free money. I found this box in a storage unit. Never even cleaned it out. Found some cool things in the box. Sold some DVDs. Made some money. And on top of that, basically, it was not that hard. I was, you know, I could have sat here and watched TV or watched YouTube while doing this 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes and done. And I could have been on my merry way. So make that money, and don't forget, peace out.